Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're going through a series of miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples, as recorded in the Gospels and the book of the Acts of the Holy Spirit. So now, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language. Just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure, say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News as gone to Matthew chapter 8 from verse 23 to verse 27. Then Jesus go in a boat and him follower them follow back at him. Without no warning, one wicked storm come down upon the lake. So the wave them start flood the boat. But Jesus did asleep. So him follower them come wake him up. Them say, Lord, save we. A dead we are going dead now. But him said to them, say, unafraid so. Uno trust in a God little bit in. Then he get up and tell the breeze and the sea to settle themselves. And everything just settle back down. And the man them jaw drop a grung. Them say, but what kind of man this here? I'll breeze and sea. Listen him and do what him say. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.